ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಿ, polar form of what is the representation of this one? This is nothing but a complex number, right? The polar form ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ z is equal to r into cos theta plus I into sin theta. This is called the polar form of complex number or polar form of representation of a complex number ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, z is equal to r into cos theta plus I into sin theta ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Here r is called modulus ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. This is modulus, and here theta is called amplitude ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Here this is amplitude. See here, what is a polar form of representation of complex number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? Z is equal to r into cos theta plus I into sin theta. This is nothing but the polar form of representation of a complex number. Here ಈ r ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. This theta ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. This modulus is represented by this mod z ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. This modulus is nothing but mod z, and this amplitude is nothing but amp of this complex number z. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ amplitude of z or arg of z ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. arg is nothing but what? Argument of z ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Okay, so this is nothing but polar form of representation of complex number. Now we are going to know what is this r and what is this theta, andre what is the value of this r or what is the value of this theta, andre how we need to express this r and how we need to express this theta ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So here I will rub this. ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, this is very simple. Here ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, z is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Now the z is nothing but what? Complex number ಅಲ್ವಾ? So z is nothing but ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನಾವು? a plus ib ಅಲ್ವಾ? What is z? Z is equal to a plus ib. This is a complex number, right na? Here a is ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು? This a is ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. a is real part, this b is imaginary part ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. The same concept ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. This z is nothing but a plus ib. Now ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? Now we are going to find out what is this r and what is this theta. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ r ಅನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಈ theta is nothing but what? This is modulus and this theta is amplitude. Now this will becomes r, multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, r into cos theta plus I into what we have here, sin theta. Okay, so see here ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ, a plus ib ಇದೆ is equal to r into cos theta plus I into sin theta ಇದೆ. Now we will equate left hand side and right hand side. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? a ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ r into cos theta. Here real part is a, here real part is r into cos theta. ಇದನ್ನ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ, question 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. And what is our b? ಇಲ್ಲಿ I ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ I ಇದೆ, that is this is imaginary part and this is imaginary part. Now this b which is equal to ಏನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನಾನು? Here this r multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, this is r, right na? Here this is r into what we have here, sin theta. Okay, this is r into cos theta, r multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, I into r into sin theta. Now a, here our real part is r into cos theta and this b, that is imaginary part, is r into sin theta. Now this is 2, right na? Now ನನಗೇನು ಬೇಕು? what we are going to find out? We need to find out this r. r is nothing but ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು? ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. r is nothing but not amplitude. This is a modulus and theta is nothing but a amplitude, that is amp of z, right na? Now we are going to find out what is this r and what is this theta. Now this will become, first I need to find out r ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? the square and add ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, squaring and adding ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Now this will become, in square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this will become a square, square ಮತ್ತೆ add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, this will become plus b square which is equal to, ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ r square into cos square theta. ಸರಿ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ? plus this is right hand side, r square into what we have here, sin square theta. Okay, now this will become a square plus b square which is equal to r square into cos square theta plus r square into sin square theta is there. Here r square is common ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Now this will become a square plus b square, which is equal to r square into cos square theta plus what we have here, sin square theta. Okay, now what is sin square theta plus cos square theta, or cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but 1. Now this will become a square plus b square, which is equal to r square. Okay, now a square plus b square, which is equal to r square. What we know, ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ, ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ ಆರ್. ನೌ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು a square plus b square. What is our r now? This will become root of a square plus b square. Here plus or minus, but we will take only positive value, that is a square plus b square. This is our r. R is nothing but modulus of z. What is the value of modulus? R is equal to root of a square plus b square. Okay, so now what we are going to find out, we need to find out this theta. Theta is nothing but ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ z ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ z ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ನಾವು ರಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, now we are going to find out what is the value of, from this what we can do. I will write here, that is r is equal to root of ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ, a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. This is our what modulus, that is z, mod z. Now we need to find out this theta. Theta ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we will take, this is 2 is there na, I will take 2 equation 2 divided by equation 1. What we will get here, that is b, which is equal to equation 2 is b into r into sin theta whole divided by what is our equation 1, that is now this is a, which is equal to r into cos theta, right now. Now which one get cancelled, r get cancelled. Now here in the left hand side what we have, b by a, which is equal to what we have, sin theta by cos theta. Okay, what is our sin theta by cos theta? That is nothing but a tan theta alva. Now this will become b by a, which is equal to what we have here, tan theta. Okay, b by a is nothing but tan theta, but ನನಗೇನು ಬೇಕು, only theta ಬೇಕು. Now this will become theta is equal to, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, that is ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, tan inverse of b by a, right now. This is our what, amplitude, that is theta value. Theta is nothing but amplitude of z. Amplitude or argument ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Argument or amplitude of this polar form of representation is nothing but tan inverse of b by a, but this r is nothing but root of a square plus b square. I will write directly. See here, what is polar form of representation? What is polar form of representation of complex number? Z is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Here r is nothing but modulus of modulus. R is nothing but modulus of this complex number z, and theta is nothing but amplitude anta karitivi. What is our r? R is, that is we will represent this r by modulus of z. What is the value? That is a square plus b square. And what is our theta? Theta is nothing but amplitude of z or argument arg, that is argument of z. What is the value? That is tan inverse of b by a. It is clear to you? Now if suppose this theta value lies between minus pi and plus pi ittu andre, that is theta ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ value it is minus pi ಮತ್ತೆ plus pi. Minus pi is nothing but minus 180 degree and plus pi is nothing but plus 180 degree. ಇದೆರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? theta value which is lies between minus pi and plus pi. And general amplitude is written by 2n pi plus theta ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, general amplitude is 2n pi plus theta, where n is any negative or positive integer. Negative or positive integer. Here n is negative or positive integer. This is nothing but a general amplitude ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದಿರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೇಲಿರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲದೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.